Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a huge haul of Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics products from Ulta.com. The reason why I purchased from Ulta is because by the time I went to JaclynHillCosmetics.com for her launch, everything was like sold out in like minutes. Well, at least the shades that I wanted. So I just waited for that following Sunday for Ulta to carry it, and then I just made my order. I purchased 8 items. My total was $252. Now, out of the 8 items, I am missing 2 items for some reason. They should be delivered today, so probably later today, I'm gonna film a IGTV video on my Instagram, so make sure you check that out. Now that order is gonna consist of the Mood Light Luminous powder, which I'm super excited for because it's supposed to like make your face like luminous, dewy, like radiant. She said in her video on Instagram that you can actually set your whole face with it, so I'm super excited to try that. And then the other thing in that order is the Accent Light Highlighter, like the mini one. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys 3 of the bronze and blush duos. Now these retail for $36. I got the shades Warm Flush Golden Goddess, Be Rouge and Espresso Shot, Pink Me Up, and Oh Honey. This is basically like a rebirth of her cosmetics line, and I'm here for it because I love Jaclyn Hill and I followed her for years, even though after her little lipstick debacle, like I was kind of weary of her, and I felt like she was only selling products all the time on her her YouTube videos. She kind of fell off for me a little bit, but I'm super excited to try these. She came out with all like face powders and products. Those are the 3 duos that I'm going to be swatching and also applying on my face. The next 2 products are the Accent Light Highlighters, and these retail for $29. So I got the shades in Ice and Sparks. The last thing that I have here, this is the Beaming Light Loose Highlighter Powder, and this retails for $24. And I got the shade in Extra. Okay, so first I'm going to open up the bronze and blush duos, and then I'll swatch them on my arm first, and then I'm gonna apply them to my face. So right now, my face does look really dewy right now, but honestly, I just have foundation on. I set it with the Laura Mercier Loose Translucent Setting Powder, and then I have my eyebrows on. I'm wearing some lip color. So basically, the only thing I'm missing is highlighter, eyeshadow, bronzer, and blush. Let's get into it. So the packaging is really pretty. All the cartons are like rose gold, and like it says Jaclyn on it, and it's like really raised, and it's like in white. Let's open this up. All the shade names are on the top of the boxes or on the bottom of them. Here is the actual compact. That's what it looks like. It's gorgeous. Here's Pink Me Up and Oh Honey. Sorry guys, I got my nail stuck in the bronzer there. That was my fault. That's my bad. Here's Pink Me Up, and here's Oh Honey. Okay, the next one I'll do is Warm Flush and Gold Goddess. This packaging is so beautiful, guys. Like, it's really heavy and it feels super luxurious. The mirror is really, really nice. So here is Warm Flush and Golden Goddess. Warm Flush Golden Goddess. And the next one is Be Rouge and Espresso Shot. Wow, super pigmented. There's the blush and the bronzer. Really pretty. Be Rouge Espresso Shot. Here is what it looks like on my skin tone. I'm like a medium skin tone. Yellow undertones, like olive. The first one was kind of hard to swatch. It's really light on me, and that one was Pink Me Up and Oh Honey. So this is a little too light on me. But I'm gonna try this on my face and see what it looks like. So I think I'm gonna try a different blush and bronzer duo on this cheek and a different one on this cheek. So this is already very pigmented. I think we can just kind of like imagine what it would look like on the face. I really want to give these a go, the 2 lighter ones, the Pink Me Up Oh Honey and the Warm Flush Golden Goddess, just because they're so similar and they're really light on my skin, and I really want to see how they apply to my face. Okay, so I'm gonna start with Warm Flush and Golden Goddess on this side. Feel like I'm floating through the air. Okay, this is Golden Goddess. New clean brush, and I'm gonna grab Warm Flush. apply really nicely. I do remember she said that these are like hand baked, like from Italy or something. The formula applied really nice, but like I don't like this. Do you guys see all that kickback? Like that's annoying to me. Like it's everywhere. Okay, and on this side, I'm going to do Pink Me Up and Oh Honey. So here's the bronzer. Alright guys, so this side is Pink Me Up and Oh Honey. What do you guys think? They look pretty similar to me, honestly. This one's just a little bit more pinky, and this one is like, in person, it looks a little bit more peachy. The bronzer, honestly, the Oh Honey bronzer is really, really light, which works for me right now, but as the warmer months come along and I'll be going to the pool and the beach and stuff, these two are probably not gonna work for me. That's why I got this dark one. So I'm thinking I'm gonna apply this to my eyes as like eyeshadow. Let's put this on our eyes and see what it looks like. Okay, I'm just grabbing a Morphe M535 brush. It's like a really fluffy brush. I'm just gonna pick up this bronzer here and I'm gonna apply it in my crease.
I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance, not the life I want.
Wow, that's really pigmented.
Fear I weighed the person you are. Oh.
Okay, so that's the bronzer just in my crease. And then I think I'm gonna add a little bit of that blush too, which is ROUGE. I'm gonna take the Morphe M505 brush, which is also a fluffy brush, but it's a little bit more tapered.
Facing it all, fearless.
Wow, that's like gorgeous. Honestly, it like looks like such a pretty eyeshadow. Wow, that's so pretty. Oh my gosh, but like, guys, look how pigmented it is. So I know she's mentioned that they're supposed to be super buttery and super creamy, and a lot of the reviews that I saw also said the same thing. I might be the first person to say this, but they're kind of chalky, and there's like a lot of kickback. It's like super powdery, especially these light blush bronzer duos. They're like really chalky. Next, I'm gonna swatch the two Accent Light highlighters. And I have the shades in Sparks and Iced. Beautiful packaging. I'm sorry I'm blinding you guys. Look how pretty this compact is for these highlighters. It's like the size of my hand, and it's like rose gold, and it's got like this beautiful J on it, and it's like raised. How gorgeous. So the first one is Sparks. And this one is Iced. Whoa. So here's Sparks, and then here's Iced. So I'll put Sparks over here.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating.
Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I'm gonna grab a different brush, and then we're gonna do Iced on this cheek over here.
All is said and done.
Whoa, this is blinding. Oh my gosh. Now these, I will say, these are not chalky. These are super buttery and really creamy. And the last thing I'm gonna show you guys is the Beaming Light Loose Highlighter Powder. And this one is in the shade Extra. This one was like the first thing to sell out because she showed this in her video for the product launch on her Instagram. And she like used this on her inner corners, which I'm gonna do the same. And I'm gonna like highlight my nose with it. So yeah, let's open this up. So this like twists open. That's what it looks like inside. Whoa. Personally, I don't like packaging like this because you basically have to like shake it out and it gets everywhere. As you guys saw, like when I took off the little clear film on top, it like exploded in my face. Let's just shake it out a little bit. So this is one of my favorite brushes to do like inner corner highlight and even like highlight down the bridge of my nose. It's the Morphe M124. It's like super precise and tiny. So I'm just gonna grab some from here and then I'm just gonna tap it off in the cap. Oh my god, yes. Like, this is what I needed. I needed something like this in my collection. You guys, this is so pretty. Inner corner highlight can like literally open up your eyes and it can change your whole entire look. I just love this. This is so pigmented. Whoa, that literally is so blinding. This is so pretty. Okay, and that shade was Extra right here. So pretty. Okay, I'm gonna do the bridge of my nose. You guys, how pretty. Let's do some Cupid's bow too. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I look like a disco ball right now because I've got like a highlighter all over my face. But if you guys know me, I love dewy, natural looking, radiant looks. So this is right up my alley. I'm so impressed. I'm so glad I bought all this. I would totally recommend this. If you guys can get your hands on this stuff, I would. This is part of her permanent line on her website. So you guys need to go check it out. It's jaclynhillcosmetics.com. I'm actually gonna take this and put this on my lids too. Woo, did you guys see that? Wow, this is so pretty. I'm loving this right now. But yeah, like I said before, guys, head on over to my Instagram to see the other two products, which I should hopefully, fingers crossed, be getting in the mail sometime soon today. I'll do swatches and I'll also probably do a demo on my Instagram. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know down below if you guys got anything from this collection. Did you guys like it? Did you not like it? Why didn't you? Let me know. All right, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Fearless.